Right guys, welcome back to another episode of Map TV. Today we've got this 718 GT4 in with us for a pair of Akrapovic Link Pipes, a PASM delete kit, some braided brake lines and one of our custom dyno tunes. So we've got the car on the dyno now, we're going to run it up stock, make sure it's happy as it is, and once we're happy with how the car's performing, we're going to get it off the dyno, into the workshop, and we're going to start the work on it, so let's go. Right, so we've performed the stock runs on the Cayman. It's made 410 brake horsepower and 317 foot-pound of torque, which is round about what they should be making stock. The logs are perfect. It's actually nice to have a naturally aspirated car on the dyno for once. There's a lot less to check over in the data log, so the fueling's fine. Knock retard and everything's to the minimum, so it's only pulling like 2-3 degrees. It is pretty warm in the dyno cell today, so I would expect that to be 0 out on the road because the car's got 99 octane fuel in it. But yeah, all in all, the car is running perfectly fine. So we're going to get the car back off the dyno and then we're going to start installing the exhaust system. So yeah, let's go. Right guys, so the Akrapovic Link Pipes are fitted onto this GT4 now. We've done a quick modification to the ECU to accommodate them pipes, and the car's responded really well from it. When we ran it stock, we started pulling like 2 or 3 degrees of timing throughout the whole rev range. The restriction in the exhaust creates a lot of heat, and heat creates detonation on knock retard. Now that we've removed the restriction in the exhaust system, the car's happy sat at 0 degree ignition retard. As a result of that, the car has made a lot more power because it's just a lot happier. So we've actually picked up 40 brake horsepower at peak and around 25-30 foot-pound of torque. For a naturally aspirated car is mega, and literally took one revision, done. So the car's absolutely dialed, it sounds epic. Test it on the road, make sure it's happy on the road, and then it's good to go. Right guys, so we've been out in the Porsche. The exhaust sounds epic, you can feel the mid-range torque now. The customer complaining about not having driver modes and his auto blip wasn't working, and that was to do with the PASM fault light I had. Obviously we've installed the PASM delete, so all his driver modes are working perfectly fine now. So yeah, the car's absolutely dialed, all done, job signed off. If you like this video, make sure you've liked, subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one.